This way. What? Okay, okay. The big way. Oh yeah. No, nothing. So, bro.
But his request will not be less than 20 billion. It's still a big question. That is where I have to struggle. I have to think outside the box. We have also provided vehicles to enhance the comfort and mobility of our magistrates. It has already been mentioned. I don't want to talk about it again. Like what somebody said here, government is continuing. So it's not about what was not done then. If I'm doing it now, I shouldn't be proud of it. Because any other person, if he has the heart and the desire, if he's here, will still do it. So I don't want to talk about that. It's my responsibility as a government to provide. So we've done that. We facilitated the appointment of 7 new judges to strengthen our judicial system. It is also the duties of government, when the opportunity comes, for us, through the chief judge, to recommend. It is not for us to pick because we know, but to be sure that the people we are selecting will represent the good interests of Rivers people. And I'm proud to say that in the history of the appointment of judges, the last batch was one of the best. So, Chief Judge, congratulations, man. We're equally determined to finish the construction and furnishing and also deliver. I'm not going to call the name of the court because I might change it to another thing. But we have a court that we're building in 40th Avenue. It's almost the completing stage. When the spirit leads, I will decide on the name we're going to call it. Furthermore, we are working closely with the Chief Judge to make sure that other courts that are outside Port Harcourt that needs rehabilitation, we will do them just as it's mentioned. Like I said, I won't keep you. Finally. Huh? So you can go. As you start your new legal year, I wish to reiterate the need to have and sustain the citizen trust. Very important. When we were little and we see lawyers, not even judges, not magistrates, that I will hardly see a judge, it's magistrate. You see them as God. That is the truth. Like I said, you are the God that we are saying. You are the one sitting on the throne of judgment. Please, let the Rivers people be proud and be bold to say, we trust you. That is the word, we trust you, because you're courageous and you're firm. This is possible because as a government, we are doing everything to make you comfortable. We don't owe you salaries. We pay you allowance when due. By the time our 2025 budget will be out, your warrant will increase. So you can see that at the end of the day, effectiveness comes as a result of we performing on our own side, doing what we ought to do. Then you also do your own part very well. I commend the Honorable Justice, the Chief Judge of our state, for his progressive leadership and transformational stride, and urge him to take the state judiciary under his watch to an enviable height as the truth, as they say, the last hope of the common man is the judiciary. I assure you of our willingness to continue to provide legal and material support. This legal is not advice. Maybe you want books, who can pay for it. So when I say legal here, not that it's not my area, so we provide legal and material support to advance the basic objective of making Rivers State Judiciary one of the best and the most productive in this country. It is on this note that I have the honor and privilege to now declare the 2024-2025 legal year open and wish you a highly fulfilling legal season ahead, where more money will be generated and more will also be done for the judiciary. Thank you, and may God bless you.